Question number 1. On which date is International Nurses Day celebrated? Correct answer is option C, 12th May. Question number 2. International Nurses Day is celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of which personality? Correct answer is option B, Florence Nightingale. Question number 3. What was the theme of International Nurses Day 2025? Correct answer is option B, Our Nurses, Our Future, Caring for Nurses, Strengthening Economics. Question number 4. How many MOUs were recently signed between India and Iran? Correct answer is option B, 2. Question number 5. The MOUs signed between India and Iran are related to which sector? Correct answer is option C, Custom Cooperation and Medical Product Regulation. Question number 6. Who is the current Foreign Minister of Iran who visited India in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Dr. Abbas Araghchi. Question number 7. Which country has become the world's third largest automobile manufacturer? Correct answer is option D, India. Question number 8. Which countries are ranked first and second in automobile manufacturing? Correct answer is option D, China and Japan. Question number 9. The Quiet India movement was launched in which year? Correct answer is option C, 1942. Question number 10. Which Indian product was the first to receive the GI tag? Correct answer is option D, Darjeeling tea. Question number 11. In which country was the 2025 Global Technology Summit held? Correct answer is option C, New Delhi, India. Question number 12. Where was the Geoscience Museum of Geological Survey of India inaugurated in December 2024? Correct answer is option A, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 13. Sucha Singh, who was awarded the 24 Arjuna Award in the Lifetime category, is associated with which sport? Correct answer is option C, athletics. Question number 14. Which country has recently announced its decision to join the National Development Bank? Correct answer is option B, Indonesia. Question number 15. Who was awarded the Goalkeeper of the Year at the Hockey India Award 2024? Correct answer is option A, Savita Punia. Question number 16. Who has recently become the chairperson of the 23rd Law Commission of India? Correct answer is option D, Justice Dinesh Meshwari. Question number 17. What is the mascot of the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Gajisma. Question number 18. What is the capital of the Indian Union Territory of Ladakh? Correct answer is option A, Leh. Question number 19. India has decided to discontinue the transshipment facility for which country? Correct answer is option D, Bangladesh. Question number 20. Where will India's first PPP green waste processing plant be established? Correct answer is option A, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Question number 21. On which date was the World Press Freedom Day celebrated in 2025? Correct answer is option C, 3rd May. Question number 22. What was the theme of World Press Freedom Day 2025? Correct answer is option D, reporting in the Brave New World the impact of artificial intelligence on press freedom and the media. Question number 23. Which country has introduced new monitoring rules on Mount Everest in 2025? Correct answer is option C, Nepal. Question number 24. According to the new rules by Nepal, who will be allowed to scale Mount Everest? Correct answer is option D. Only those who have previously climbed peaks over 7,000 meters. Question number 25. For the first time after independence, which type of census will the central government conduct? Correct answer is option C, caste census. Question number 26. The caste census in India will be conducted under which ministry? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Home Affairs. Question number 27. What is the percentage of protein in soybeans? Correct answer is option C, 42%. Question number 28. Which of the following does not contain protein? Correct answer is option D, rice. Question number 29. What are enzymes primarily made of? Correct answer is option C, proteins. Question number 30. Tissues in the human body are primarily made from which substance? Correct answer is option D, proteins.